Good day to everyone! Napakasarap ng ating recipe today. Patok din ito sa panlasa ng Pinoy. And it's one of my husband's favorite, Asian-style buffalo wings. Meron tayong chicken wings. At para sa seasoning ng wings, meron tayong paprika, garlic powder, salt and pepper. At meron din tayong plain flour. First step, pagsamasamahin lang natin ang ating condiments, spices, at chicken. At make sure lang na mahalo itong maigi. At pagkatapos, i-marinate natin ito for at least 15 minutes. At pag na-marinate na, i-dredge lang natin ito sa flour. Next step, ilagay na natin ito sa mainit na mantika at i-fry for 15 to 18 minutes. Depende sa laki ng wings na gagamitin. At habang piniprito natin ng wings, gawin na rin natin ang ating sauce. For the sauce, meron tayong lemon juice, chili paste, honey, and olive oil. Pagsamasamahin lang natin ito sa mainit na saucepan at haluing mabuti hanggang sa kumulo ito. At kapag kumulo na ito guys, i-season natin ito ng salt and pepper. At i-simmer ito for 3 minutes. At pag okay na ang ating wings at sauce, haluin natin ito sa isang lagayan until well coated. Ayan guys! Garnish with green chili at sesame seeds. Perfect at napakasarap papakin. Thank you for supporting our channel and help other friends discover great recipes. Hit like, subscribe, and share button. Bye!